This is Roji and I am here to tell you about operating system and graphical user interface. So firstly we will discuss about operating system, that is we can generally we say it like OS. OS, that is a system software that connects the computer hardware with software and vice versa. All types of computer and mobile phone require an operating system to get started. It is the main software that helps to run a computer, and it manages the computer memory and process all of its software and hardware that is connected to a system. Now the next one is, what is the need of an operating system? Operating system provide an interface between the user and the computer so that a user can easily work on a computer system by using a mouse or a keyboard. Multitasking, it helps to smoothly run multiple applications at a single time on a computer system. Third, hardware independence, that it doesn't it can easily run on the same type with different hardware specification computers. And the last one is your control. It control all kinds of input and output devices and software application that is connected to the computer system, and it allocate output and input device as per their requirement to the user. Now the next one is your function of an OS. There are five basic function of operating system: processor management, memory management, device management, file management, and interface management. Processor management, it control all the processor and processes. It allocate a process to a processor, and after the completion of work, after the process is completed, it deallocate the processor, and it all processing schedule that is controlled by the operating system. Second is your memory management. Memory management, it control all kind of memory allocation and deallocation. It manage all the things. Device management, it manages the input and output device attached to the computer system, and it also controls the flow of information and data among different kind of devices. And the next is your file devices. File management, operating system takes care of the creation, deletion, transfer, and copying of different kind of files and folders, and it also keep the record of the status and the location of files, and also ensure the protection of the data that is stored in different kind of files and folders. And last is your interface management. It acts as an interface between computer hardware and software, as well as an interface between the user and the computer. Now, what are the types of OS? There are five basic types of operating system. Single user operating system, and this is the most popular category of operating system we are using nowadays, and Windows is the example of this. On this operating system, one user can work at a single time. Multi-user operating system, it allows multiple users to connect and use a single operating system at any given time, and the example are like your Unix and Linux. Real-time operating system or RTOS, this is a operating system where real-time system that are used when there are strict time foundation or requirement like missile system, air traffic control, reservations, all these. And the example of this is your Windows CE and Linux OS. Now the next one is your distributed. This type of operating system run on a group of computers present at different location and interconnected with each other by a network. And in this kind of operating system, every user thinks that they are working on a single computer, and it is beneficial in mobile and cellular network. And last one is your batch operating system. In this type of operating system, user doesn't need to interact directly with the computer. Each user prepare separately their task on offline device, and after that submit to the computer operator, and after that computer operator showed the task or the data based on similar needs and group them into different kind of batches, and the data is transferred to another. Examples of this are like the transaction of credit card and generation of bills. Now next is your user interface. User interface enables a user to interact with the computer. There are two types of user interface available here. First one is your CUI, that is character user interface, and the second one is your GUI, that is graphical user interface. Character user interface, that is a kind of user interface where the user interact with the computer system through the keyboard and type command in order to interact. like for example MS DOS. And the second one is your graphical user interface. Enables the user to interact with the OS or application through keyboard, mouse, and it offer different kind of button, scroll bars, windows, and other icons. And example of these are your Microsoft Windows. Now the next one is your advantages of GUI, that it is easy to learn and easy to use. It has different kind of graphics and other visual clues. The major benefit or the important feature, that is the use of shortcut key. We can use shortcut key in GUI. User can get immediate feedback and can perform multiple functions at same time. Thank you.